The latest dating app called Faramore promises to find your Mr. or Mrs. with a cheek swab. The company uses a person's DNA to pinpoint specific genes, which it claims are the chemical keys to attraction.
So this is what we're going to learn about. Local professional matchmaker Julie Amon from It's Just Lunch, Milwaukee, says chemistry, just one part of a successful dating program here. What are you talking about?
Well, it's such a neat concept. I mean, when I first read about it, I thought, wow. And while I'm not a scientist, my mind went back to two people can look perfect on paper and not connect in real life. And so there's a difference between chemistry and compatibility.
Sure.
Does DNA have to do with chemistry? Maybe. But it's compatibility, it's values, those things that you line up on that give a relationship staying power.
Well, you and I were also talking about what if you are compatible, but then someone does this nervous little throat clearing thing,
there's
and
a few
it makes you crazy.
Absolutely. There are some really easy tests that you can do that will give you that indicator if you have what it takes for a long-term relationship. And one of them is a hot mess test.
Okay.
And what that really is
I like
There's
it.
actually a test.
There is, and
Right.
it's really a common sense test. And what it is when life is fun, relationships are easy. But when something happens,
Going
when
gets
you're
tough.
challenged with something, do you feel supported by your partner? Is that where you go to get that level of support? If it is, that's a great clue. But also with that hot mess test, it is those little things they do. Are they endearing or do they get under your skin? All clues.
So you've got these ideas out there, but you're always suggesting, I mean, at that first date, just kind of, look at folks and...
Talk test. I mean, I know it sounds simple, but having easy communication is essentially what brings you back to a person. And so when you're having a conversation, are you having a lot of uncomfortable silences? Or is it easy to connect on a lot of things where you're cutting each other off? Those are some of the best dates. And again, it's an indicator that you have what it takes to take it longer in a relationship, as well as the what should we do test. Weekends coming up. Are you someone who says, I can't wait to have fun this St. Patrick's Day? Or are you somebody who says, I am not going anywhere near downtown. I can't wait to stay in and get away from it all. If you're compromising too much, you may want to reconsider.
That would be a good point to make. All right, thank you. If you have a question for our expert, just email us or call us at that number right there.